In a tranquil forest, nestled among the towering trees, lived a small, peculiar leaf named Leo. Unlike other leaves, Leo had a unique ability: he could walk. One sunny day, Leo decided to venture out of his familiar forest. He walked along the winding path, meeting various creatures on his journey. As he walked, he encountered a mischievous crow named Max. Max, known for his cunning and deceitful ways, saw an opportunity in Leo's innocence. He struck up a conversation, pretending to be friendly, and proposed a deal. "Leo," Max said with a sly grin, "I can take you to the most beautiful place in the forest, a hidden meadow filled with the sweetest fruits. All you have to do is follow me." Leo, enchanted by the prospect of such an adventure, agreed without hesitation. Max led Leo deeper into the forest, away from his home and the familiar path. As they journeyed, Max grew more and more distant, and Leo began to feel uneasy. He looked around and found himself lost in a dense part of the forest, far from home. Seeing Leo's distress, Max returned, feigning concern. "Oh, dear Leo, I'm sorry I left you behind. I didn't mean to deceive you. But I can still take you to that beautiful meadow if you follow me again." Leo, trusting Max once more, followed him again. This time, however, Leo decided to be more cautious. He paid close attention to Max's actions and soon realized that Max had no intention of leading him to the meadow. Feeling betrayed, Leo confronted Max. "I know what you've been doing, Max. You've been leading me astray, not to a beautiful meadow, but deeper into the forest. Why have you done this?" Max, caught in his deceit, stammered in response. I just wanted to see if you would follow me blindly without question." Leo, with a wise and firm voice, replied, "Blindly following without question leads to danger, Max. From now on, I will think before I act, and I encourage you to do the same." From that day forward, Leo learned the importance of questioning and not trusting everything he heard. Max, on the other hand, realized the consequences of his actions and vowed to change his deceitful ways. And so, the forest carried on, its lessons echoing in the wind, reminding all its inhabitants to be wise and to think before they act. The story of Leo and Max served as a reminder that deception can lead to heartache, but wisdom and caution can guide one through life's winding paths.